In this creative writing crash course, primary 5 and 6 students will master different sentence structures. Your child will learn to move from simple sentences like Alan went to school to compound sentences, and finally to complex sentences like despite waking up late, Alan managed to go to school in time for football practice. This makes essays more interesting to read. Your child will learn to write a complete essay in 4 easy steps. More importantly, they will avoid the kind of introductions that bore examiners to death. Students will also learn how to effectively use words to create impact, making their stories stand out in PSLE English composition writing. This course is also suitable for primary 4 students, as its creative writing framework is aligned with the PSLE composition format, providing a strong foundation for future exam success. All lessons are fully recorded with detailed voice explanations, allowing students to learn at their own pace. At the end of the tutorial series, the primary ECW crash course workbook will be provided, packed with practice exercises to reinforce learning and build writing confidence. Free marking of assignments is also available, subject to terms and conditions. Help your child write with confidence. Join our creative writing crash course today.